Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Ortiz, and I just wanted to take a look at one example for the distance formula section 1.5 for geometry honors. So number 6 was not put on the video with number 7 and the examples. So I just wanted to go through this with you. It says use the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, to find the length of segment AB if A is at negative 2, 6 and B is at 3, negative 6. So let's go ahead and plot those points. So A is at negative 2, 6. Okay, and B is at 3, negative 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And so what we want to do, if we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of AB, well, first of all, we want to draw an AB. And then the Pythagorean theorem is used on right triangles. So we want to turn this segment into the hypotenuse of a right triangle. So we're going to add a point here that is directly east or west of one of the points and directly north or south of the other point. And I say that because we could have also plotted this point and we will get the same result, okay? So now we're just going to, we can count. So we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the length of, we're gonna call this C, so AC. And BC is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 units. Okay, now if you are using the skills that I shared with you in the prerequisite video, which are going to be really critical for number 7, then what we would want to do to find the horizontal change is find the difference in our x's. So the difference for AC, that's a horizontal change, so that's a change in our x's, and that's equal to the absolute value of negative 2 minus 3, the absolute value of the difference, which is the absolute value of negative 5, which is 5, and we were able to count and see that, okay? And then if we wanted to find the length of BC, remember that's a change in our y's because it's a vertical line. And so B was at 3, negative 6. And this is actually a positive 6, my apologies. But the change in y's is 6 minus negative 6, the absolute value of that. Well, negative 6 minus, 6 minus a negative is a positive. So the absolute value of 12 is 12, okay? So now we're just gonna apply the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared when a and b are the legs of your right triangle and c is the hypotenuse. So c is gonna be this guy over here. And so we're gonna substitute in a 5 for one leg and a 12 for the other leg. And that's equal to c squared. And 5 squared is 25, and 12 squared is 144, and that's equal to c squared, and that simplifies to 169, which is equal to c squared. And when we square root both sides, we get c is equal to 13, okay? So c is equal to 13, but remember that our original question was how long, find the length of AB. So AB is equal to 13 units using the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so anytime you're finding the distance between 2 points, you can use, sorry about that, my screen's turning, you can use the Pythagorean theorem to turn the segment into a right triangle. Have a great day. Bye.